What we have next is more news on Three Arrows Capital, and they confirm heavy losses from Luna's collapse and exploring potential options. One of the things that they are ignoring too on Three Arrows that is very important is their heavy liquidation of ETH. And once again, when we get articles like this, we have to pay attention to the fact that it's coming from the horse's mouth, but the horse may not really want to show its entire hand. It's a lot easier to tell you that there's a Luna collapse and that is what affected it, as opposed to admitting that what you did was purchase and stake a bunch of Ethereum and now you can't get that out because there's no liquidity in the pool left. It's a lot easier to say that, right? The company's co-founder said it's looking into the possibility of asset sales and rescue by another firm. Cryptocurrency fund Three Arrows Capital confirmed Friday it had suffered heavy losses in the recent market downturn and said it had hired legal and financial advisors to figure a way out, according to Wall Street Journal report. Quote, "We are committed to working things out and finding an equitable solution for all our constituents," 3AC co-founder Kyle Davies told the Wall Street Journal. The fund had over $3 billion worth of cryptocurrencies under management as of April. 3AC is exploring options including asset sales and rescue by another firm and hopes to reach a settlement with creditors, Davies said. 3AC owes at least $6 million to crypto exchange BitMEX as per a separate report by The Block today. Davies said 3AC invested over $200 million in Luna tokens as part of a $1 billion raise by the Luna Foundation Guard in February, an amount that is now essentially worthless since Terra ecosystem imploded in mid-May. The Terra Luna situation caught us very much off guard, Davies told the Wall Street Journal, but $200 million is nowhere near the $3 billion, right? 3AC was additionally known as one of the largest holders of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust and institutional Bitcoin product, as well as staked Ethereum, which is really the big issue here. We'll get into why in a second. Tokens, both of which have seen steep declines recently. Davies added that 3AC was working on quantifying its losses and valuing its illiquid assets, which include many venture capitalist investments in crypto startups. Meanwhile, Nicole Yeo, a partner of law firm Solitaire LLP, which is advising 3AC, told Wall Street Journal that it was keeping Singapore's financial regulator, the Monetary Authority of Singapore, apprised of 3AC's recent developments. The writing's on the wall for ETH, guys, and the fact of the matter is that it does have potential to spread across all of DeFi. And that is because obviously, really, we can relate that back to the merge of cryptocurrency. So it's hilarious that all of these investors that want to completely on miners, right, are actually being screwed over by the developers of Ethereum with the move to proof of stake and the way that they're handling it. Yet they're just going to keep continuing to blame everything on miners, who all they do is secure the network for a return monetarily. And until you realize and understand that manipulation that's going on and how that affects the broader market, I don't think you'll understand cryptocurrency, because you fail to understand the importance of the miners and you fail to see how it directly influences the market, specifically how it is portrayed in large outlets like Forbes. They always want to say, well, it's the investor's appetite. And they say we can't predict it. Yet, as miners, we can look at it and say the same thing happens every single time. So why don't you just shut up and actually report properly and do your research on how this is happening from a technical standpoint? And then you'll understand the importance of proof of work versus proof of stake. I hope you enjoyed this clip from the Crypto Mining Morning Show every Monday through Friday, 7:45 a.m. Pacific and 10:45 a.m. Eastern Time. You can check out more clips here, or if you're interested in checking out the entire live show, you can check that out down here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next Tuesday.